What is going on, guys? As most of you know, I've installed a cob downpipe and a cob rear motor mount on my Focus ST here. Well, right after I installed the downpipe, because I installed the downpipe and rear motor mount at the same time, I know with a stiffer rear mount you get some vibrations and things like that at times, but this sounds more like a metal on metal vibration. So I reached out to Panda, and lo and behold, during the install video, I told Steven the rear exhaust hanger for the downpipe, it looked a little flimsy, and I just said, I'm afraid it's going to rub. And sure enough, I'm pretty sure that's what's happening. So Panda said it sounds like your exhaust mount hanger for your downpipe is either damaged or it's kind of worn out. So they sent me this Torque Solutions downpipe exhaust hanger, and hopefully, guys, this fixes my issue. But before I get started, I'm going to take you for a ride, and I'm going to see if you can hear the rattling on the camera. And after I pick up the rattling on a test drive, we'll get under there. I'll show you where it's rubbing. So guys, with that being said, let's install this Torque Solutions exhaust hanger. Guys, if you're interested in this Torque Solution downpipe hanger, visit pandamotorworks.com. I'll link it in the description box below. I wanted to read a few key points about this. This is CNC Billet Aluminum construction, black anodized with the Torque Solution logo. This eliminates the sloppy exhaust movement. 75A Durometer Urethane bushings, limited lifetime warranty. And guys, this thing is very nice. Hopefully you can see it. Like, I'll compare it to the stock when we get it out, but this looks much improved over the stock exhaust hanger. All right, guys, let's go for a ride. Let's see if we can hear this rattling. All right, guys, like I said, we're going to see if we can get this exhaust rattle on camera. It generally does it when you're kind of going up a hill and it's kind of in a bind. So I'm going to go around the block. Like I said, you may or may not be able to hear it on camera. Right there. Hopefully you all heard that. So I'll go ahead and go the route I was going to go anyways, and hopefully we can hear it a couple more times. But for now, I'm just going to be quiet and just hope that you all can hear it on camera. Because like I said, it's quite annoying. And at first I kept trying to tell myself, oh, it's just a rear motor mount, it's just a rear motor mount. But after a while, I was like, something ain't right. Yeah. It's pretty bad. Like I said, hopefully that picked that up. If not, oh well. It's just, trust me, it's here. Alright guys, I'm going to go home and let this cool off. And I will be back with you all shortly. Alright, after watching that footage back, you can definitely hear that rattling. So, that being said, I'm going to jack this side of the car up. Well, this car, not my wife's Santa Fe. We're going to jack the Focus up. I'm going to take y'all under there. I'm going to show you exactly where it is rattling. And I don't know how well I'll be able to film it, but you'll get the gist of it. So anyways, alright guys, let's get it going. Alright, we're under here. So, yeah, I'm definitely not going to be able to film this, but my downpipe, you can actually take the hanger off. A lot of aftermarket or factory downpipes, this mount's actually welded to the downpipe. But anyways, you can see, let me back the light off a little bit. Yeah, right there. So you can see where this is rubbing right here. So yeah, not very good lighting, guys, but yeah, this is basically rubbing right here. So we're going to be replacing this with the new Torque Solutions hanger that I showed you earlier. Alright, I got this out. I'm going to go take this to the workbench, and we'll compare the two hangers. Alright, here's the factory mount. You can see how flimsy it is, and it might be a little damaged, a little weak. My car does have mid 70K-ish miles on it, so this one's much sturdier. So hopefully we don't have that rattle with this one. So I'm assuming this goes like this. Alright, I'm going to push this in here, and then we will go back underneath the car, mount this, and then mount our hardware back to our downpipe. Like I said, y'all's downpipe might not have this feature where you can unbolt the clamp right here. If so, you're going to have to take some more stuff off probably, but luckily for me, my downpipe, you can take the bracket off. But anyways, guys, let's get back underneath and let's mount this back up. All right, new hanger installed. Like I said, it's just these two 10 millimeters and then this 12 millimeter nut and bolt, both of these. I'm really hoping this fixes this rattling noise y'all heard in the previous clips. But anyways, let's lower this car down and let's go see if this fixed our problem. This does look pretty sweet though. Torque Solutions. Love the way that looks. All right. Torque Solution downpipe hanger is installed. Now we're going to go on the same test drive we did earlier, and we're just going to hope it doesn't rattle anymore. It's a different noise. Yeah, it's weird because I know the rear mount's gonna make noise, but I'm listening for that metal on metal noise. Let's get to this hill and see if it still does it. Like I said, I kind of wish I would have did the downpipe and the rear motor mount separate just to see what each thing sounded like. But all right, let's tackle this hill. Alright guys, that actually definitely fixed it. I actually went and drove around some more. Before it was making a distinct grinding noise. And now, sometimes when you're going up a hill, I don't know if it's the rear motor mount that's stiff, but it still does a little bit of a vibration. But that is to be expected when you put a stiffer rear motor mount in. But anyways guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like I said, this definitely fixed the grinding metal on metal issue. So if y'all are curious, I'll link the part in the description box below at pandamotorworks.com. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you're following us on our Instagram and other social medias. I'll link them down in the description box below. Guys, make sure you hit the like button. It really does help out. And please make sure you're subscribed. Until next time. Hey guys, I want to throw this in at the end of this video, because I filmed this video like, maybe 2 months ago. But anyways, I actually figured out a final fix for this rattling. Now granted, the Torque Solution downpipe hanger, it definitely knocked most of the noise out. But I think what I done wrong personally, I think my hanger, I had it upside down. So that was causing it to sag a little bit. And then the bracket under the downpipe that you have to remove, I kind of took a mallet and I kind of beat a little insert out so the exhaust would clear a lot better. And guys, that fixed this noise 100%. So if you've installed an aftermarket downpipe on your Focus ST and you're getting really frustrated, you can't figure out what the rattling's coming from, I assure you, since I've done this, there's been 0 rattles. So get yourself a Torque Solution downpipe hanger, beat the little shield out a little bit, and make sure your mount is on correctly. Like I said, a lot of them are just welded on, but mine, you can pick which way you want it to turn. But I turned it the right way, and just no more vibrations. It's wonderful. The rear motor mount don't even vibrate. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Check out these sweet Panda Motorworks shirts, by the way. Guys, if you use code BLEWIS at pandamotorworks.com, you can save yourself some money on all these wonderful products, including the Torque Solution Downpipe Hanger. Guys, check out Panda sick merchandise. I'm going to show some clips of a couple shirts I got. These are super comfortable. So like I said, visit pandamotorworks.com. Use code BLEWIS at checkout to save yourself some money. Guys, until next time. Guys, this is the Das Panza shirt. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, the nice little logo right there on the tag. It's got Panda Motorworks on the front, and it's got this sweet panda on the back. This is option one, or well, this is one of the two I have, and now I'm going to show you the other one now. All right, and this is the Panda Tune shirt. You got the Panda Motorworks logo right here. Again, you got the nice little tag. And then on the back, you got the Panda Tune logo. Guys, these shirts are super soft, super awesome. So like I said, I highly recommend you all go pick some up. Again, not to be repetitive, use code BLEWIS.